I'm gonna say this is the caption. Hey, training the mind for selection. Yes.
Yeah. Whoa. Who are the queen for the dancer?
Hey.
Where is the queen for the dancer?
Tell them, ask them, daddy them.
Where is the queen for the dancer?
Too nice for the spice, too right for the eye. Watch them a come down, but one thing me know, I the smell for the spice of the 10. Oh.
Yeah. In the dance, all we really need a queen. Oh, the dance know what me mean. Balance the scale, yes, right on the team. Everything feeling nice when we feeling real.
Nothing for fun, that gun put it down. But the Gaza now, then you know, say I saw it go. Queen for the king, spice for the thing. Leave all say into the almighty. What a blessings.
Yeah. Who are the queen for the dancer? Who want a team on the dancer?
That spice so nice, so right for the thing, for the hype, that ear, that.
Me see Shanks here, me see Spice, me see Lady G, me see everybody nice. Macadam and there's a right on the right, dog bad lady sauce, him retire tonight. Oh God, who are the queen for the dancer?
Daddy Lang, ask them, tell them, KAPASH, the queen, that spice so nice, so right, that spice, that queen, that time,
Who are the queen for the dancer? One of the queen for the dancer. Yeah, come balance this is king for the dancer. King and queen for the dancer.
Gaza, are you ready? Spice, are you ready? We see that body, the whole so happy. Done. I just the queen of the dancer. Queen, she's so clean. That queen. So clean, that queen, she's so clean, yeah. Hey, she's so clean.